Hello everybody, thank you for being here. I'm Chef Julio with the Hometown Chef, and this is Juliana. And she's gonna be here helping us with another amazing dish that we're gonna prepare. And we're going to make a lot of people happy today. For all the people that's following the keto diet, this is a keto recipe over here. That's what we're doing, okay? If you don't know what keto diet is, it's basically a diet that consists in 70% natural fats, 25% proteins, and 5% carbs, but only carbs that come from vegetables and nuts are good carbs, okay? No flour, no rice, potatoes, pasta, any of that, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. So what we're going to make today is we're going to have some chicken thighs, okay, and we're going to wrap them in bacon. It's going to be amazing already because bacon goes with everything. And if you can get uncured bacon, it's going to be better, okay? And we're going to roast the chicken after we wrap it in bacon, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, and then we're gonna make some Brussels sprouts, and these Brussels sprouts we're gonna add some pepperoni to it. We're gonna saute them with butter, and we're gonna add some garlic, onions, peppers, and it's gonna be delicious. And then we're gonna add some chicken broth to it, okay? And we're gonna cook that until it's ready to go. And at the end, we're gonna top the chicken with some sriracha mayo, okay, for a little spice and goodness. So if you're ready to do this, I'm ready. Are you ready?
Yes.
She's ready, so let's do this. Okay friends, here we are. Here is bacon wrapped chicken thigh. with Brussels sprouts, and then we have sriracha mayo on it, okay? So nothing can go wrong with bacon. Every time you use bacon, it is gonna be for sure amazing, okay? Unless you burn it. But if you do it right, like we did this time over here, we wrapped a chicken thigh with bacon. You cannot go wrong with bacon. I wrap that bacon around a chicken thigh. I use the chicken thigh because we're doing a ketogenic plate. So basically we need that fat on it, okay? So chicken thigh is gonna have more fat than a chicken breast. You don't wanna use that. I even left the fat on the chicken thigh. That's what you want when you do keto diet, okay? So I seasoned the chicken thigh with salt, pepper, onion powder and garlic, and then put some oil around it, and then I wrapped it, the chicken thigh with the bacon. Okay, I roasted in the oven for 25 minutes, 350 degrees. Okay, until it was like crispy and done, and I put it out. Brussels sprouts, okay, beautiful. I love Brussels sprouts. They're beautiful, little tiny cabbage. I like them. It's not really cabbage, but it looks like it. Or it's maybe family, I don't know. But anyway, so we cooked that. I sauteed some onions with the pepperoni and the peppers and garlic, and then Brussels sprouts, and add butter to it, salt, pepper. I sauteed that at high heat, you know, looking at it, it's just caramelizing all together. And then what I did is just added some chicken stock to it. I covered it and let it cook for a little bit. And after that, done. And then I did some, I made some sriracha mayo. It's flavorful, it's amazing, and it gives a little spice to it, okay? And I just put it all together in a beautiful plate, and voila, this is what we have. So I hope you enjoy this beautiful dish, and I'm gonna talk about more about like what a ketogenic diet it is and all the good things about it. I like it. It's not a diet, actually it's a lifestyle, and I love that because you cannot go wrong eating something like this all the time. So it's good stuff, and we're gonna talk about it in another show. And I hope you enjoyed this. My little sous chef went away and she disappeared, so I don't have it no longer over here with me, but I am here with this beautiful plate that we did. And I hope you join me next time for another amazing dish, and enjoy. Remember, there's always things in the kitchen you can do, okay? Don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Leave your comments with the things you want to see in these videos, and I make them for you, okay? So thank you for being here, and I see you next time.